Welcome! I was looking at a way of using various different cameras to try and get a close-up on the PCBs I'm building and working on so that you can get a better idea of what I'm doing. And I came across this little sort of USB microscope on Amazon. This is just a quick, simple video on what I found. Well, this is the microscope here that I used to film the bum footprint modification. So I just thought, it'd be worth just showing you what this little microscope can do. As in the UK it was only £19 I think from Amazon with free delivery. And as you can see in the top right corner, it's just looking at that chip which I did a modification to a while back. It's a real-time clock chip, and there was a spare pin and I wanted to be able to use the interrupt. I apologise for the noise in the background, that's a 3D printer going a couple of feet from my head because I've only got a small room. But just to show you that what you can actually see. It's about, if I arrange it properly, it's about the same sort of viewing area here that I get through my main viewing scope that I work with. And as you can see, I've just tagged the 1206 resistor to the supply pin to provide a pull-up to this spare pin that wasn't used. And I'm not sure if I can bring it in and refocus it. You can see the little focus knob on the top, and you can just make out on the bottom of that pin, you can just see the reflection of a wire. That's the wire that's going underneath the chip. Comes out the other side. You'll see the solder joint third pin down, and you can just see the black line crossing the white outline of the chip on the board, and that's the wire coming from the other side. So that's coming across. I was obviously a bit pushed for time, so I did the bottom one nicely, and the top one isn't really nowhere near as nice. If I was doing this with more care and attention, that 12K resistor would be stuck on top of the body of the chip with an extra wire at the other end going down to the supply pin. That's just to give you a quick idea of what this cheap little scope, or microscope, sorry, can actually produce. It does have an internal light, so if I turn the microscope light off, you can see there is a light pattern showing. It's got about 8 little LEDs, which at times help. You can see the bottom wire a bit better reflecting in the light now, but I found that it's not very good, and it also makes this part get hot. And it's just got a little dimmer switch. As you can see, it just dims out rapidly. But I find that the microscope light is just as good, and without the light on, the end of the little microscope doesn't get very hot. But as I say, it was a £20 microscope. Try and get the focus a bit better. From eBay. Not eBay, Amazon. You get them on eBay as well. But Amazon Prime, it was free next day delivery. And so it's just a quickie. And I'll try and put a link up. Well, not a link. I'll find a picture to the sort of more descriptive Amazon page. And see you next time.